It's almost done right now, so we're gonna try it, and it smells so delicious. It smells so good. What's up, you guys? My name is Neil Beltran, and welcome to Food Uncharted once again. And before we proceed, please hit that notification bell button and like, share, and subscribe this video. Welcome to another segment of Food Uncharted called Characters, where we are going to feature different characters who are passionate in cooking. This is a quite interesting segment, so I urge for you guys to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe. And once again, welcome to Food Uncharted. So we're here at St. John Custodial and Psychiatric Therapeutic Home, and we're going to witness a very different story of a very interesting cook who serves 33 patients to this very caring community in St. John here at Quezon City. And I'm here with the one and only Ate Kim, who is a very talented cook. She's been cooking since 15 years old, right, Ate? Wow, so it's been a long time. So that's about 10 years, 15 years, what, 15 years? Oh, almost 15 years of cooking, and we're gonna witness her cook a very interesting Filipino dish called Pochero and egg drop soup. So stay tuned, you guys. So Ate Kim here is cooking the sweet potato that we're gonna put in the Pochero. Usually sweet potato is, it's used as a dessert in most Filipino dishes, but right here we're gonna see it into a very savory dish. We're gonna put the bananas. The bananas are halfway cooked and they look so delicious. They're golden brown, and we're setting it aside and we're gonna cook the other main ingredient of Pochero. It's the carrots, so we're gonna cook it, we're gonna saute it, and we're gonna halfway cook it, and after the same thing, we're gonna set it aside. Next plot after the carrots. Alright, so we're gonna saute the meat. Right, so Ate Kim is currently putting the chicken to the Pochero. So savory, the aroma of the chicken with the garlic, it smells so delicious, it smells so good. And I can't wait to try it out. So we just put the sauté in the Pochero. This gives a very interesting color, red in the Pochero dish. Alright, so we're gonna put the sayote, celery, right, and the bell pepper. There we go. So we're gonna put the bananas and the sweet potatoes. There we go, and carrots. And we're gonna put the string beans right here. So pachero is one of the most healthiest dish and influenced by the Spaniards back in the day when we were colonized years ago. So it's very quite interesting how it developed to a very interesting food staple here at the Philippines. Pochero is still simmering, it's still cooking. That red sauce from the achuete, that string beans, sweet potatoes, and the chicken stock that we just used to boil the chicken. So right now we're gonna add the cabbage. Yeah, that's cabbage and pachero. So we're gonna wait until it's cooked and simmering. Look at that. So right here we're cooking on the side an egg drop soup. Very interesting. I've never heard this dish before. So we're gonna try it and we're gonna see how it's cooked and how it's being fed to the patients here at St. John. I think they eat quite healthy meal here at St. John, and Ate Kim feeds them all every single day. And salute to Ate Kim, who works so hard to bring her passion to the table. On the side we're cooking the egg drop soup. So we started with ginger and onions. So we're gonna put some carrots to it as well. All right, wow. All right, and we're gonna put the malunggay leaves to it as well. Very healthy soup dish. Right now we're gonna put the egg into the egg drop soup. So we just dropped the egg into the egg drop soup. So Ate Kim's just going to mix that until the egg is cooked and the soup thickens. There we go. It smells yummy. Alongside we have pochero simmering. So the egg drop soup is finally done. We're going to taste it for a little bit. Look at that thick, thick, thick soup. So we just covered the pachero. We're gonna wait for the vegetables to be cooked for about 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, we're gonna serve it. So we're gonna taste it. If it's really good, I bet it is. Oh, wow. That was good. That was delicious, Ate Kim. All right, so we're done with the pachero. We're just gonna simmer it with the heat, and we're gonna taste it later, you guys. So stay tuned. It's gonna be really good. Right, so we are going to try the pachero that Ate Kim just cooked just a while ago. Very interesting, very popular dish here in the Philippines. It's influenced by the Spaniards back in the day when they came here in the Philippines for a visit. Try the soup. Ate Kim's just right behind me. Wow. 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 Most broth that I taste here in the Philippines, they're very saturated. It doesn't have those, mixture of different salt, and it's very, very, very delicious. Wow, the chicken is perfectly cooked. It's not dry, and it's not rubbery. It's not also raw. The cooking is on point. It's perfect. Ate Kim really is a very experienced chef, as you see in the cooking. It has a very interesting sweet taste when it comes to a very light, flavorful broth. Very, very delicious. So right now we're gonna taste a very interesting dish that they have. It's called egg drop soup. Wow. It's very light. It's very light and healthy, I should say. It has malunggay, eggs, small cuts of carrots, and ginger. It's light, tastes fresh, healthy, very flavorful, not salty, just right amount of flavor. Wow, hands down to Ate Kim. Very, very delicious, you guys. The love for food. It's the main reason why I started this channel. Just like food, we all came from different backgrounds, beliefs, experiences. But difficulties often arise because of those differences. But if it's one thing, what food taught us, it's the ability to come together despite of those differences.
You make me feel real when you tell me something. I like it when I see you often. So baby, say you're feeling the same, yeah. You make me feel real when you tell me something.
What's up, you guys? And that has been our segment here at Food Uncharted called Characters. And Ate Kim really makes a difference to the mental health society through her passion, which is food. Some of you guys might be wondering, what am I doing to St. John, a Custodial and Psychiatric Therapeutic Home? It got to my attention that they really do make a difference to the mental health society. And their mission is to break the stigma of how society views mental health. So contact Ma'am Arlene. Link and number is down below in the description. So feel free to reach her out, and she'll be very happy to accommodate you guys and assist you throughout your healing. It's important to keep your body healthy and also your mind healthy. This has been Food Uncharted. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one, you guys. Peace.